B2B sales cold calling script examples with pro tips. AnyBiz. Ever wondered why some B2B cold calls turn into fruitful relationships while others flounder? With 40% of new business prospects emerging from successful cold calling, mastering the art is critical. It's more than just dialing numbers. It's a strategic introduction to potential clients, setting the stage for future cooperation. Cold calling entails salespeople contacting potential customers who haven't shown interest previously. While historically reliant on volume and persistence, it has evolved with technology and data-driven approaches, complementing modern sales strategies. AI and automation are further enhancing its effectiveness, allowing sales teams to focus on relationship building. A successful cold calling script engages the prospect from the start, introduces your company and value proposition succinctly, asks qualifying questions, handles objections effectively, closes with clarity on next steps, and follows up consistently to maintain momentum. Crafting an effective cold calling script involves personalized research, clear communication, conversational tone, rapport building, open-ended questioning, and providing social proof. These elements work together to engage prospects and increase the likelihood of success. In cold calling, avoid sounding too robotic by personalizing your approach and adapting the script to each conversation. Focus on understanding the prospect's needs and tailoring your pitch accordingly. Address objections respectfully and use them as opportunities to highlight your product's value. Research the prospect beforehand to demonstrate understanding and relevance. Crafting natural-sounding cold calling scripts involves practicing until they feel comfortable and flexible. Active listening, using natural language, and demonstrating authenticity and empathy are crucial elements in engaging prospects effectively. AI in cold calling revolutionizes the process, offering personalized scripts and dynamic adaptation. It operates 24/7, ensuring prompt responses and cost savings. Innovative AI agents at AnyBiz are transforming B2B lead generation. Through personalized outreach, seamless CRM integration, and 24/7 operations, they've enhanced lead quality, brand awareness, and accelerated business growth. AI's adaptability and efficiency outshine traditional methods, marking a pivotal shift in B2B sales strategies. Before you say goodbye, give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe to ensure you're always in the know with our upcoming releases.